Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can get unbanned from Grindr. So in order to get unbanned from Grindr, you'll need to first check your internet connection, and then to begin with, so there are several reasons why Grindr bans your account, such as spam messages and impersonations or scams, harassment, bullying, and all sort of things. Now, in order to get unbanned from Grindr, what you can do is you can first of all file an appeal. So this is one way to retrieve your old account. That means contacting the support team, stating about the issue, and they'll look into your matter within 24 to 48 hours. If you're still unable to fix it, apart from that, you can also set up a new account, which means deleting or letting go of the particular account that has been banned and creating a new one. Make sure to properly remove all the traces of the app off your devices first, and then you can also reset your device ID on Android or iOS. You can also get a new IP address. If you're using a VPN, you can disable it, or if you're not using a VPN, then you can try connecting to a VPN and try restarting your Grindr app. After you've done all of these procedures, go ahead and open up your Grindr application, and this might be able to fix your issue at once. Now, Grindr ban's duration can vary also, so depending on the violation and severity and your history, minor issues may lead to a temporary suspension, which may last for an hour or a day. So you can also wait for sometimes, and after you've waited for 24 to 48 hours, then you can try following the steps. So that's basically how you can get unbind from Grindr. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.